Well, hopefully you guys have got your coffee and you got 10 minutes so we can just see what OG RAThbun's up to today. Well, hope you guys are enjoying my little coffee cartoons. Hey, we're building something today. In preparation and just in case, I get air shocks. Now I got air fittings, lots of air fittings, and I got some scrap aluminum I've cut off different things. So I'm going to take this piece right here and my fittings over there, and I'm going to make something here. We're going to make a gauge setup like I used to have in my Dodge pickup. For an air ride system. Wasn't that fast? Yeah, I didn't show you me making it. But this is it. I had all these gauges, all this stuff was underneath my dash on my console. Now on the RV, you ain't got much. You got a doghouse there. And it'd be a pain in the butt to put that where I want it. I mean, where it would be handy. So I'm going to make it handy somewhere else. So let's walk out here. I'll show you where it's going to go. What it does is you got air coming in there in the middle. Open up, door. Air will come in the middle. That's how you air your system up. Then you're going to have a gauge on each side of the shock, because on the airbags, because you don't, if you have them both on one fill up, the air can go from that side to this side when you roll into a corner, you understand? And it really makes it worse. By having them each one pressurized at 40, 60, whatever you need, it can't squish that one down and take the air out of the other one, you know, or put it in the other one or whatever. So that's why I run this setup here. Once it's all set up, I just twist those knobs. Now, where I'm going to put this is right here on the back of the RV, right down in here like this. It's going to sit just like that. I'm getting ready to bolt it up. I've already got the holes drilled, so I'm going to fasten that up and I'll show you how it works. I don't have the airbags yet. I'm still saving money, and I took the airbags off the Dodge, which worked fine, and we're going to take those and put them on the, we was going to put them on here, but they don't fit. So what we're going to do instead of that is I'm going to just get some new ones and sell the ones off the Dodge. So let me bolt that on and show you what it looks like. That don't look bad. That's going to work great too. Everything's back here, plug stuff in, jack stuff up, you know, check my air pressure. I can run a little air, I got an air compressor in there, so I run the cord over here, shoot a little air in it. That's all I got to do. Now what we do is we run it from here and here to each airbag. Then I can check make sure the pressure's right. Once the pressure's right, I can seal it off by twisting these. That right there will stop the air from flowing back out through anything. So it'll lock it in. Then if it starts leaning or something, I can come back here and it'll tell me which bag is low, and I can air them all both up again, because I would always keep them even. I do the same thing over here on my water pressure reducer here. Put a gauge right here, the hose goes in here, comes out here, and then comes up and around to here. So, you know, I like stuff easy to work on. I just noticed, I wonder where, I should have an RV sticker somewhere. They didn't send me one of those. That's for 2024. Is that all you get anymore? I guess. Yeah, I drove for a year and a half because the DMV is so screwy that I just went, screw you, I ain't gonna get it. They want me to hang around here for 6 months to get my RV licensed and all that, or pay for 6 months that I didn't even use the thing. Anyway, DMVs, screw them. So that's that. We'll just bring them hoses in, they'll come in, they'll hook up right down there to this piece. That'll go to one airbag, and then the other side goes to the other airbag. And we'll just run them down and nice and tightly through there. I might even drill a hole through there so they shoot through nice and neatly. That'd probably be the best way to do it, most neatly. And then if these leak, these fittings are too tight or whatever, it's simple to fix. I'm gonna put bolts in there. Right now it's just got the screws, but that's what we're getting ready to do. Yeah, as soon as somebody comes and picks up these. Yep, sure wish those would have fit. They're in excellent shape. I mean, you know, I didn't abuse them. I had plenty of weight on them, but they're Firestone. They still working. Somebody's supposed to come over and buy them today, but that's, you know, it's on the old Facebook marketplace. You never know who's coming or what. Had somebody call me the other day, and I know they were a scammer, and I said, they're asking me if I'm real. I got to send in a code to make sure I'm real. I went, no, I don't think so. I think you're a scammer, and got rid of them. Anyway, that's it for right now. Gonna clean up my little mess. Don't got much of a mess over there, really. But I hope you guys are having a great day, and last project turned out pretty good, guys. I'm really liking this, and you've seen where I got it hooked up all. I showed everything, how to hook the wires up and all. We're going to also get some running lights sooner or later. I mean, fog lights for up there. Y'all have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Maybe even drop me a comment. I do read all the comments you put on here. It will help my channel greatly.
If you have to hide the curriculum from the parents, you don't belong in a classroom or in close proximity to anyone's kids.